You gotta move your left foot out. So let's try this now. Here we go, soldiers.
I want to do this.
Parade has. Move that left foot out. There you go. Hands follow your back. Look straight ahead. Attention. Lean back. Parade has. Attention. Parade has. Attention. Y'all give him a hand. Very good. Clap. 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 Stop. 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 Your turn. Clap. 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 Stop. 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 Woo! You guys did awesome. Y'all give yourself a hand. Let me tell you something else. You might be gifted, right? But there's other people in the school. So if you're gifted, that means you need to make sure that you're setting a good example for those around you and helping those around you. Do you understand, sir? Yes, sir? Yes. So if someone is having trouble, it is your job to help people out. Do you understand, sir? Yes, sir?
Sir, yes, sir.
Hey, army colors.
Hey, army colors.
The color is white.
The color is white.
Shows the world.
Shows the world
That we are bright.
that we are bright.
Your left, right, left.
Left, right, left.
Your left to right.
Left to right.
Your left, right, left.
Left, right, left.
Your military left.
The military left.
Awesome job, guys! Woo! Give yourself a hand. Jude looked up and he saw a butterfly. He said to the butterfly, "I'd like to fly to the top of the sky." And the butterfly laughed. And he buttered. And he laughed some more, telling Jude that he would never fly. "You're just a dog. You'll never fly. Look at me. I'm a butterfly and I can fly as high I can be. You'll never be like me." It's making fun of Duke again. Is that right?
No.
Duke looked up and he saw a mockingbird. You guys ever seen a mockingbird? Know what that is? I think it's on this side. On this side. You guys are pretty good. All right. Okay. You guys are pretty smart, so I'm going to try it again, all right? So let's try it down. I'm going to try to make people pop on the spear. Here we go. Ready? Are you ready? Say yes, sir. Okay, here we go. You guys are pretty smart. All right, I'm going to try one more time. I'm going to try one more time. Here we go. All right, it's right here, okay? Right here. All right, watching. Here we go. Here we go.
Come on.
Okay, you guys are pretty good. You guys are pretty good. All right. How old are you? 9. And what's your name?
Amanda.
Awesome. You're going to do great things. Keep hanging out with teachers and you'll become one. Yes, ma'am. How about you?
I want to be a scientist to find out cures for sicknesses.
Very good. Fantastic. What about you, sir?
I want to be in the army because my grandpa was in the Air Force.
Very good. I like that. How about you, ma'am?
I want to be a police officer.
A police officer? Very good. So you need to start hanging out with Officer Thomas. Ask her a bunch of questions. Say, I want to be like you when I grow up. She's going to teach you. Yes, ma'am. How about you?